So my eyebrows are done, my eyes are primed, and I have some tape here, which I haven't put tape under my eyes in so long, but figured it would be kind of nice to pop it out for today. So like I mentioned, all these looks are going to be pretty simple just because for me, I'm not like, when I'm with my family or whatever, I don't really wear crazy looks out unless I'm doing my Instagram makeup. That's when I go wild, but when I go out, I'm pretty simple. So yeah, these are more wearable looks. So I'm going to take a small blending brush. This is the Morphe M514. It's just a tiny little blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and the color Roxanne. I'm just going to brush that on my lash line, going over the tape. And then I'm just going to blend it up into my lid and a tiny bit into my crease. So with that same brush, I'm going to take Chip, which is just like a warm chocolatey brown color. I'm again going to go right on my lash line and then add a little bit into my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to peel off the tape. And I'm going to repeat everything I did on this side, on this side. Alright, so I'm going to go and do my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put a little bit of concealer and powder on it, and then I bronze with the Physicians and I bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in Sunkissed. Let's finish up my eyes. So I'm just going to take Crayon Apple, which is this metallic red shade. I'm just going to brush that under my eyes. So my skin has been doing weird things lately. I've been using new skincare products and my face is purging, so I'm just breaking out all over the place, and it'll be better in a few weeks, but right now I'm just, anyway. So I got these Pixi glow cakes in PR a few days ago, and I thought it would be cool to try them out. So I have Gilded Bare Glow here and Pink Champagne Glow. And I'm going to use the Pink Champagne Glow as my blush today, and then the Gilded Bare Glow as my highlight. So I threw my hair back up. I'm going to go run and do my mascara off camera. I'm not going to wear any lashes for this look because, like I said, I want this to be very wearable. Yeah. This is just what happens to me. I overline my lips by accident, and then so for my lippy today, I use the Pixi Matte Lastic Lipstick. This one is an Evening Rose. And for my mascara, I curled my lashes, and then I used the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Crazy Volume Mascara. That's pretty much it. This is a pretty simple look. I would definitely wear this like out. Probably wouldn't wear the lipstick just because I'm not a lipstick person and I eat like a maniac, so it would just not worth it for me. I normally, when I go out, even if I'm wearing fancy makeup, and I'll just wear like shiny lip balm, so that it looks like I have something there, but I'm just not a lip person. I wish I was. I think that's it. Yeah, so this is look number 1.